Alright, so we're making a burger today. We're going to start with mild cheddar cheese. We're also going to do pepper jack. We're going to have a few tomatoes. We're going to stew a few onions. We're going to add dill pickles, some ketchup, some mustard, some mayonnaise. We're going to season with black pepper and salt. We'll be using beef sirloin, topping it with bacon and spring mix. Okay, so I'm going to line the air fryer with the bacon. Alright, we're just going to put this in here. Alright, we're going to keep these burgers basic. We're going to just add a little pepper on the outside of each burger. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt. We want to make sure we get both sides. Alright, so this is what one patty should look like. And these are half-pound patties. Half-pound. While the bacon's cooking, this is what you want to do. Get your burgers prepped because they're going to go quick. Alright, so while your burger's in the pan cooking, just want to add a few onions so they can saute. And you got this on a low flame. You don't need to cook this really fast because you're going to put the top on there and let it sink down. But these are the onions that are going to go on top. Alright, this is a sneak peek at what I'm cooking next. I'm going to make chicken sandwiches. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the chicken sandwich, after I butterfly it, I'm going to put it in this, see that? I'm going to put it here in this empty thing of pickle juice and let it soak overnight. And then we're going to make a chicken sandwich. Just going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate overnight. Okay, here's a peek at the burger. Just going to flip it over. Make sure it's cooking nice. I should never use a fork on this type of non-stick pan. So never use a fork on non-stick pans. You don't want to scratch the surface. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just going to let it cook for another minute or so, and then we're going to add our cheese. Okay, we're going to add our cheese now. We're going to go with pepper jack. And we're going to do a cheddar. I'm going to let that cook. Okay, so while our burger's getting ready, we're going to cook our bun. Get our bun ready. Just melt a little butter here. Alright, we just got a regular old bun. Gotta put that in there and let it do its work. Okay, I just flipped the burgers. This is what we're looking at. We're gonna start topping them. Okay, we're gonna go with a little mayo. We're gonna go with mustard, a little lettuce. Grab you some tomato. Now you just wanna grab your patty, your big, delicious, beautiful patty, and plop that down on there. And I know it's huge, but that's what you want. Take a few of your red onions, or whatever onions you use. Put that on there. Then I just add some pickles. I add a couple of pieces of bacon, put a little bit of ketchup on the top, and that's it. All right, there it is, piping hot, nice, cheesy. Try it, you'll like it. Look at that bite. This thing is fire. Buttery bun, cheesy, hot, fresh. Yeah, you like this.